Welcome. If you're looking to keep up with the latest updates from your network, knowing how to show the most recent posts on LinkedIn is essential. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make sure your LinkedIn feed always displays the freshest content first, right from your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture, or the word Me. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can customize your LinkedIn experience. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Click on Account Preferences to proceed. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled General Preferences. Under this section, look for an option called Preferred Feed View. This is where you can control how your feed is displayed. Click on Preferred Feed View, and you'll see two choices: Top Posts and Most Recent Posts. By default, LinkedIn usually shows you top posts, which are selected based on engagement and relevance. But if you want to see the latest updates as they happen, select Most Recent Posts. That's it. Your feed will now prioritize the most recent posts from your connections and the pages you follow. This update ensures you never miss out on timely news, announcements, or opportunities shared by your network. If you ever want to switch back to top posts, just repeat these steps and select top posts instead. LinkedIn is always updating its platform, so staying familiar with these settings helps you get the most out of your professional network. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of LinkedIn and other social platforms. Stay tuned for more updates and tutorials to keep you ahead in your professional journey.